how to set different wallpapers for each focus mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to set different wallpapers for different focus modes so that differentiating will be easier? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You will need to open up your settings first and then scroll down, tap on focus, and then you'll find all the list of the focus that you have created, and then tap on one of the focus mode and then scroll down, and there you'll see customize screen option right there. You can just tap on choose, and then you can either pick a lock screen from your gallery or choose from the lock screens that you have already set. So you can just tap on any of the lock screens and hit done. So now your do not disturb mode will have this lock screen. As you can see, you can do the same with your home screen. Now you can go to another focus mode and then scroll down and choose another lock screen for this focus mode. Choose another lock screen, hit done. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.